In today's video, we're diving into HubSpot Service Hub versus Zendesk, comparing these two major help desk software solutions to help you figure out which one's the best for your business. Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll reveal a surprising option that might be a better fit than both. Let's kick off by looking at HubSpot Service Hub. It's part of the larger HubSpot CRM suite, so if you're already using HubSpot for marketing or sales, this can seamlessly integrate with your other tools. One of the highlights is the ticketing system, easy to use, organized, and highly customizable. You can also automate repetitive tasks, set up workflows, and track customer satisfaction all from one place. But here's the catch: while it's pretty feature-packed, the more advanced features come at a pretty steep price. If you're just starting out, HubSpot might feel a little overwhelming in terms of pricing and setup. Next, let's turn to Zendesk, another giant in the help desk space. It offers solid functionality, especially when it comes to multi-channel support, like email, live chat, and social media integrations. Zendesk shines when you need to support customers across different touchpoints. The ticketing system is also strong and has a bit more depth compared to HubSpot's, with more features aimed at larger organizations. However, Zendesk's interface can feel clunky, especially for teams new to the platform. It also tends to be pricier than HubSpot, with several add-ons required to get the full experience. Now, let's talk about the third thing you should consider: reporting. HubSpot Service Hub gives you a robust dashboard that integrates nicely with other HubSpot tools. You can create custom reports and track detailed metrics. But the catch here is that HubSpot's reporting features are limited unless you're on the higher tier plans. Zendesk, on the other hand, offers extensive reporting options right out of the gate, but those can be overwhelming for smaller teams. It's a lot of data to sift through, and if you're not careful, it might get lost in the weeds. The fourth thing to mention is the customer support side of things. Zendesk excels in this area, providing 24/7 support through various channels. Their knowledge base is well structured, and they offer community-driven solutions. HubSpot Service Hub also offers good support, but compared to Zendesk, it feels a bit more limited in terms of response time and the depth of support available on lower tier plans. And then there's pricing. HubSpot Service Hub has a free tier, which is a great way to get started with basic features, but as you move up, the cost can escalate quickly, especially if you need access to advanced automation and reporting tools. Zendesk offers a variety of pricing plans, but again, the best features are locked behind premium plans, making it less appealing for smaller teams or startups on a tight budget. Next, let's talk about user experience. HubSpot is known for its user-friendly interface, and Service Hub is no different. It's clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Zendesk, on the other hand, can feel more like a learning curve, especially if you're not familiar with complex help desk systems. It's not necessarily bad, but it's not as beginner-friendly as HubSpot. Finally, both platforms have their strengths, but there's one key difference that might sway your decision. If you're already using HubSpot CRM, the integration of Service Hub makes it a seamless experience. Zendesk is great for scaling larger operations, especially when it comes to handling high-volume customer support across multiple channels. So, while both HubSpot Service Hub and Zendesk have their merits, after trying both myself, I'd say there's a better option out there for businesses looking for more straightforward help desk solutions that combine ease of use with powerful features, without the steep learning curve or a price tag. If you want to try out a better alternative for your business, check out the link in the description for an exclusive free trial. Through our link, you'll get the best trial and benefits available only to our viewers.